Welcome to our tutorial on how to mark a group as unread on Messenger using your PC with the latest update. Let's walk through the steps together. To start, open your Messenger account by logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, proceed to your list of conversations to find the specific group chat that you wish to mark as unread. Hover your cursor over the group name within the chat list, and you'll see 3 dots appear next to it. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu of options. From the drop-down menu, select the Mark as Unread option. By choosing this option, you're indicating that you want to revisit the messages in that group later, or give them more attention. Following these steps will help you effectively manage your group conversations on Messenger and ensure that you don't overlook any important messages. Take advantage of this feature on your PC to enhance your Messenger experience and streamline your messaging workflow. By utilizing this function, you can optimize your group interactions on Messenger and ensure that you never miss any crucial information or updates. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has provided you with valuable insights on how to mark a group as unread on Messenger using your PC.